Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the bending test over the composite slab. The red part is a normal strength concrete. The white is ultra high performance concrete, and you can see the steel bars inside two concrete layers. We use cohesive interaction or cohesive behavior between the interface of a normal strength concrete and ultra high performance. So now let's me to click on this. This is a displacement, and you can see the separation, a little separation happen after this bending. And now let me just hold the normal strength concrete. See the plastic strength for this. This is a dynamic simulation. A stress, it is a stress, compressive damage, tensile damage, stiffness degradation, okay. And now let's me to replace ultra high performance. So this is ultra high performance concrete. It has a better performance because of the high compression stress. It has something like 160 megapascal compression stress with zero plastic strain. And the plastic strain, the compressive damage, the tensile damage, you can see, and displacement for all, and also the displacement for the steel bars. See that this is the steel bars inside the concrete, and the stress, and also we can check force displacement diagram. We use the average value for the force because of the dynamic model. Maybe sometimes the force reached 100 kilonewton, but the average maximum is around 38 kilonewton, and after that we have the decrease in capacity. Okay, so if you need to model normal strength, ultra high performance, cohesive behavior under this bending, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, or search the title here in the search section of the website, and then you will find it. Click on the title or blue signs, and then you will have short explanation about the geometry, assembly, material model, step interaction, load, and the result as figures. You can see them here. The file contains CAI and in English video file step by step, and the cost is 26 euros. You can pay for that through a PayPal account, Visa, or Master. Before payment, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.